Today, Marvin Inu is trending in CoinMarketCap, and mainly here are three crypto trading platform for Marvin Inu. So these three platforms are there for Marvin Inu: Uniswap V2, PancakeSwap V2, and NightSwap, from where you can buy Marvin Inu. Here you can see that if I talk about liquidity, the best liquidity you will get in PancakeSwap V2, and then Uniswap, and then NightSwap. Before having an investment in any crypto, do a proper crypto market research, because crypto market is highly volatile. When crypto will go up and when crypto will go down, no one can say it. No one can say exactly. And here, if I click on overview, I will show you the current price chart also. So currently the Marvin Inu cryptocurrency price is current price is $0. How many zero? 50167, and in 24 hours this token has given a return of 146.51%. Marvin Inu has given a return of 146.51%. And if I talk about trading volume, in 24 hours it has been increased with 20,633.64%. So this is the video related to Marvin Inu. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video. But till then, please subscribe my channel, and before investment, do a proper crypto market research. This is the technical analysis video related to Marvin Inu, and in near future we can see the price prediction of this Marvin Inu going to $1 or crossing $1 in near future. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video.